Hi guys, it's a while since I've done a video, and although most of the interior is pretty much done, I've now started to look at the exterior and it started to pain me a little bit. There are little rust marks appearing here. There's small dinks and indentations which were there when I bought it, which I thought at the time, yeah, it's okay, I can live with it. And I've realised I can't. So, me being me, and if anybody knows my old van and remembers my old one that I used to go kayaking with, I'm one of those who just sort of does things. So I have decided I'm going to keep the colour white, I'm going to keep the red that I put on the stripes, I'm going to keep the grey, which I've done on that bit, and then add another grey, and I'm going to completely urban camp the whole thing, but add the red so it has a bit of a striking appearance to it. Get in there now with a bar and a sander and some power tools and clean it all out and get it all ready for some primer. Rubbed all this down now, got this down to the metal, got the rust back on it, tap this in, got a small well there, tap that in, pulled this back out, and got it down to decent metal again, so I can rust treat that now and prime it. So I'm just going to rub this flat now, probably make another little skin just to get rid of any imperfections. Right, I've rubbed it down, added the filler, and it's ready for a bit of primer now. So I'll get a bit of degreaser on there, just in case there's any silicone on the paintwork anywhere left over. Around this area. On the front here, the bumper's had a big smash, and that's where the damage here has been caused from smashing into something. Now, I can get into there, there's a hole there, so I'm going to put a bar into there and whack it out and whack that down so that I can straighten that up. But the bumper mount here was bent right back. Now, rather than whacking it with a hammer, because you've got bolts here, you've got frame and stuff like that, and you don't really want to be welting something, because it can possibly cause fracturing and damage and stuff like that. But this, through there, a bolt like that, hook it onto there, give yourself some good leverage, and I've managed to pull that straight, you know, just with some, because that's the main thing, give yourself some leverage. I've had a look at these now. These are like mounts as well for the bumper on the back bit, and this one is lower down, so obviously it's took the impact and it's pushed that down a bit, only a tiny bit. But what I'm doing is, instead of trying to push it up or knock it or anything, get a jack, use the weight of the jack and the weight of the vehicle against itself to push that up. See, moving up, look, and I'm doing very little, look, and that's shaking it up. So I'm going to go over there now and just match it up and make sure that I'm happy that it's level. Right, it's time to get done and dirty. All this crap here, I'm going to have to clean all that out before I do anything else now. As you can see, it's all falling away. All the original factory paint looks turned to like that plastic coated stuff. So I'm using something like that first, so I can get in and get all that down, and then I'll treat it with a rust treater. And she won't be long before she's good as new again under there. So. Hey guys, it's a while since I've done a video. I've just, what do you call it, decided that cut.